Let's learn few properties related to Cartesian system. Let's start with the first one. If the point is on x-axis, okay, if we take any point which is only on this x-axis, then its y-coordinate is 0. So it is not moving in up and down direction. It is only moving in left and right. Okay, so its y-coordinate will be 0. So it can be represented as x comma 0. Reverse of it, if the point is on the y-axis, right, if it is on the y-axis, then x coordinate will be 0, right? Very simple. On x-axis, y 0, on y-axis, x is 0. Simple. Coordinates of origin, that is 0 comma 0, we already learned that, right? Both of them are 0. Next, if pair of points are equal, their coordinates are also equal. Okay, suppose you talk about the two coordinates, 2 points. Let's say this is point P and also there is point Q. So both points are equal. So obviously their coordinates will be equal as well. X coordinate is equal and their y coordinate is also equal. We'll do sums based on that. You'll get an idea. If the x coordinates of points are same, the line joining the points is parallel to y-axis. Now what does this mean? That x coordinate, you take so many points whose x coordinate is equal, right? X coordinate is equal means they all are going to in a one line only. So if you join those points, you are going to get one straight line and that will be parallel to y-axis. Similarly, if you have many points and whose y coordinate is equal, in that case what will you get, right? That line will be parallel to which axis? Opposite of it, that is x-axis, right? If x coordinates are equal, parallel to y-axis. If y coordinates are equal, parallel to x-axis. These were those points. Next is important. X-axis is also called abscissa, right? We are going to use this name in sums as well, so it's easy to introduce. X-axis is also called abscissa, remember, right? And y-axis is called ordinate. So these are the few basic properties that we need to remember it. It will help you to do the sums in easier way and understand as well. The most important one are about these first two, then third as well. Basically all of them are very important. The name are new to you, so remember the names abscissa and ordinate. Don't interchange it. The answer will be completely incorrect. Let's move on to the sums. Let's do one sum. If the coordinates of 2 points are P minus 2, 3 and Q minus 3, 5, then find the difference of abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. Okay, first of all, let's write the points. That's interesting. So P minus 2, 3 and Q minus 3, 5. Now what do we want to find? Abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. This is what we want to find. So let's write here abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q, right? Now abscissa means what? X coordinate or y coordinate. I told you, we discuss in the property, it is important. So abscissa means x coordinate, right? We are interested in x. Y is called as ordinate. So abscissa of P, that is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2, then minus here, then abscissa of Q, that is minus 3. So here minus 2 minus plus 3, so it is 1. Very simple question, right? Abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. This is about knowledge of the word abscissa. What does abscissa mean? You should be aware of it, right? Let's do next question. Let's do one more question related to previous one. Let's start with the question. If the coordinates of 2 points are A 3, 4, B minus 2, 5, then find the abscissa of A minus ordinate of B. Okay, so here we have ordinate as well. So first of all, let's write the points A 3, 4, B minus 2, comma 5. What we need to find is abscissa of A minus ordinate of B. So let's start. First of all, abscissa of A, that is this one, x-axis, x coordinate, and ordinate of B, that is y coordinate. So let's find here 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So this is the answer. Very simple question it is, right? We just need to have the knowledge of the name of the x-axis and the y-axis, that is abscissa and ordinate. Let's move to the next questions.